Chapter 1, Part 2, The Internet.
Chapter 1, Essential Outcomes. Students communicate, collaborate, create, and apply critical thinking skills through project-based learning by A. Constructing, computing, and designing a professional portfolio. B. Empowering and challenging each other to create unique designs. C. Applying knowledge regarding the Internet, World Wide Web, browsers, operating systems, and websites. D. Being responsible web designers and digital citizens. E. Sharing their innovative designs via global networking. F. Linking keywords to project application.
The Internet. The Internet may be defined as a network of networks. It is built on open, agreed-upon protocols. Another word for protocol would be rule or guidelines. The Internet is a way for all computers to communicate with each other. Thus, we have global human communication. As of June 2017, 51% of the world's population were users of the Internet. For more information or details, click here to see the breakdown of usage. The Internet has become very important in this day and age. It has changed the way the world communicates, find and share news, gets directions, processes photos, research and access information, collaboration in the business and educational worlds, as well as the agricultural world. Though the Internet has had its positive effects, it also has some ethical and legal concerns. These stem around privacy, copyright infringements, cyberbullying and cyber stalking, censorship, anonymity, and our First Amendment rights. Looking at a legal issue of today, the federal court has informed President Trump that he can no longer block people from his Twitter account. Is this a violation of President Trump's First Amendment rights? If President Trump can no longer block people from his Twitter account, should you be able to block people from your social media site? And if blocking is a First Amendment violation, why are social media sites allowed to offer this option? Google Site Activity. Open up your newly created Google site in your Google Drive. Create a subpage underneath your web design one page called Chapter 1. To create a subpage, click on the Pages tab on the top right corner. Then select your web design page. To the right of the web design page, you will see 3 dots. Click on the dots and then select from the menu Add Subpage. Rename this page Chapter 1. Then you are to create another subpage underneath Chapter 1 called Ethics. Answer the questions given on slide 6, steps 2, 3, and 4. Add a text box for each question, so you should have a total of 3 text boxes. In each box, type in the question. Then add your responses, be thorough in your response, and provide support for your argument. Make sure you use complete sentences, add proper capitalization, spelling, and grammar. Add images and other objects if you're free. It is optional. It just depends on how you want your website to look. You have now reached the end of the second video. Please go back to your website to review what your next video is.